Let's go. Luck. So you can do bets on all numbers, bets on all bonus rounds. Good luck.
Вадим is like active.
Crazy time! 10 times multiply!
389 winners, 100 for Azuri. The highest paid time of the bets is open again. Welcome all the newcomers. I'm going to ask you an open-ended question, and the open-ended question is: who is your favorite mythical creature? Like from folklore, from legends. Who's your favorite mythical creature? Vadim is like, как тебя зовут? Which means, what's your name? My name is Matis. So Vadim, it is Matis. In Russian, you would probably say Matis. Crazy time, 10 times multiplier.
Crazy time! 10 times multiplier! Get in, baby! Come on!
You gotta love the ones you don't expect.
Bam! Welcome to the world's biggest money wheel, everybody! Okay, we're flexing with the biggest money wheel now. You have to make a choice. Firstly, let's, multiply the values on the wheel. 10 times multiplier applied. All the values on the wheel get a 10x multiplier. So now you have to do one of the three things.
You now have to select a flapper, green, blue, or yellow. If you're not going to make selection yourself, it's going to be made for you. If you're colorblind, pick whatever. Thousand X, the biggest multiplier. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, for the yellow squad, we get a 200, 150 for the green squad, and the blue squad gets an unbelievable double for the wheel that has already been multiplied 10 times. The biggest multiplier now is 2000X. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, the blue squad with a congratulations lands a 1000X.
They know Samo Yotonazate. Congratulations, Bangs Hamster. Good luck, everybody. So 1, 2, 5, and 10 are the numbers on a wheel where you can, where you can place on bets. Coin flip, cash, and pachinko, and crazy time. Those are the bonus rounds. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it on. Good luck. So you can do bets on all numbers, bets on all bonus rounds. Good luck. 7x on a cash, and it is some toss log. Hey, Illuminator, nothing to see. You still look nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. At least the dress brings me at least some kind of volume that I maybe have something. Annie already in the chat. Yeah! Cash and it is with a 7X, ladies and gentlemen. Let's bring on the action. Cash hunt, get it while it's hot. Come on, get it while it's hot. Okay, regular multipliers, boring. We need that 7X, please. Whoosha, 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 7X it is. Whoosha, 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 bring on the multipliers there. All right, 700X, ladies and gentlemen. The biggest one, yeah. Whoosha, 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 carousel shuffle has begun. Woo-hoo! Ow! How we say. All right, the carousel, the mishmash, the potatoes, the shuffle has been done. Right now you got to say, right now you got, one shot, one opportunity to get that 700X. Yes, 700X, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't make a decision, it will automatically do the decision for you. So do it for the carrots. All right, good luck, everybody. Decision's done. Multipliers reveal. Okay, where's that? Ooh, 700X on our right side there saying hi. Compliments to all the winners out there. 4,769 winners. This gorgeous lady taking over, sweetie pie.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Santa. Why? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, so yeah, I'm Santa. I'll be here with you for the next 60 You too. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hello, Mango. Good to see you. 7X on cash on, by the way, in the top slot. Nice to see that happening. Well, we'll be better if we land on it, but let's see if we can do that. Closing into something. Wait a minute. Is that happening? Hey! Okay. This I call some star, ladies and gentlemen, of the session. We got some cash on. We got some 7X on top of that. How about that? Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, behold, this is gonna be, well, let's see. Is that 700X there, the biggest one now? Yes, it will be. Here's the 100. 7X on everything over there. So it's gonna be 7 times more exciting. Look at those goodies. Oh man, 700 is the biggest one, so let's make it happen. Woo! Lots of 140Xs as well around the house here, as I managed to see what's on that wall over there. So, hey, strap in, ladies. This is going to be interesting. Well, also, right now, it's all your moment to shine. Choose one of those icons, if you will, and hopefully it's going to hold some juicy, nice multiplier right there. Well, you can always choose auto-pick as well. Auto-pick option is always available there, but, well, I don't know. I'm going to go for something as well over here. Well, as I feel a little bit hungry, maybe for some cupcake over there. That one. Well, 35X for me, but 65 of you got the 700X. More than 1,000 people. Whoa. I mean, guys, you got some real nice goodies this time. 7.1K of total winners. Congratulations.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.